What? I have to find it first. It's in here somewhere. I think. Well, I'll go under Lorrie's World and find it.
Oh, don't strain yourself, MeMaw.
MeMaw tables, Burl. Okay, now I'm supposed to be looking at what?
The comments.
Okay, the comments. Alrighty. They've lasted well, 23 years. Moved to various places in the US.
Not your comment.
Tables are beautiful. I had no idea that grapevine roots are so massive. Maybe that is why Tarzan can swing on them and they stay put. Yes, okay. They are gorgeous tables. The vineyard just might be in trouble if they cut down the grapevines, but great idea if you have a vine that stops producing. Of course. Yes.
Well, you're not telling the vineyard chicks to go and cut down live vines and.
Well, I was assuming these are very brilliant young ladies.
Yes, they are.
I'm assuming they're smart enough to know that.
I'm pretty sure they do.
Without instructions from me. Oh my goodness. The end tables are beautiful. That's from Stephen. Awesome tables. MeMaw was not impressed at first with her picture being taken. Yeah. Tables are beautiful. What would we do without MeMaw? She is so cute on the videos. Leave it to MeMaw to be so awesome and cool. Never before had I seen these, but burl tables with grapevine root legs and XD. What's XD? And X telling the vineyard chicks to go chop down their father's grapevine to get the roots. Oh, that must be talking about David.
Excellent idea, maybe.
No, XD, David, maybe. Thanks for sharing it, Lorrie. Liked and wishing you all a great weekend. That's from Joel. Will it grow? These are awesome tables, but he didn't let me in on his big bash. I've been kicked off.
You haven't been kicked off. You're still a member in good standing. You just can't count your weight this year. You have to do a better job of putting out videos next year.
I thought I was supposed to be able to use your weight and count it as mine.
No.
No.
I say no. Besides which, I'm like minus 120 pounds.
Minus?
Yeah.
How can you do that? Oh, because you got so...
Because Dave got so many fines.
So you don't count either?
I don't count either.
Oh, dear.
He fined Dave 200 pounds.
Oh. MeMaw, this is so sweet. We love your tables. And your chicks. Okay. Never seen this, but it is an amazing thought. Mr. Dave almost broke it. Oh no, is the table okay? Is Mr. Dave's back okay? More importantly, is the table okay? Just kidding, Mr. Dave. I think I answered that one. Beautiful tables. Wow, that table is amazing. So beautiful. Thanks for sharing. Your mama's too cute. Oh, brother. That's what happens when you get old, you know. If you're old and you still have part of your brain left.
Oh, she's just so cute. Look at her. She's so feisty.
Did I want to become one of those?
Apparently you had no choice.
Oh, dear.
Because now you are one of those cute little old ladies.
Second childhood. Oh. Yes, I get called dear.
Do you?
Yeah, all the time.
Yes, dear. Can we help you, dear?
At the store today, I was picking up some prescriptions, and somebody said something about, "Here you go, dear," or something like that. That's gorgeous. Oh wow, MeMaw. Light 9. Wow, that looks so nice, beautiful. Nice full watching. There, that's it.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
See, they love you.
Yeah, right.
I think you're adorable.
They think I'm funny.
I think you're funny and cute.
Oh, so I guess it's nice. It's finally in my life I'm adorable.
Yeah.
I've never been adorable all my life.
Well, now you are.
I am.
Now you're adorable.
Oh, getting old is no fun, except for times like this.
Makes it all worthwhile.
Yeah. I gotta get my hair cut. Are you taping?
I am taping.
I'm yawning.
Would you like to say goodbye to everyone?
Goodbye. Oh, please.
Anything else?
Don't put this up on me.
You know I have to now.
No.
Oh, I promise to cut out the coughing and the yawn.
And the words in between.
No, and not the words in between, because they're precious memories.
Oh, brother. we gotta do something about my poor policeman.
Oh, I was looking for them tonight too. I was on somebody's live and I was talking about my patrolmen in their winter keenies.
I know. Ever since somebody said they're in their mankinis, they haven't been the same to me.
When you don't feel quite so safe since they're wearing mankinis. They're mankinis.
No gun.
No gun. And they're wearing a mankini with shoulder pads.
Oh dear. No guns, and they're wearing their mankinis, and they just don't seem the same.
They're winter keenies. Did I ruin your guards for you? They do look like they're winter keenies, though.
Take that away. I'm crying.
Oh, you poor dear. You need a tissue. I'm crying too. Here, you are.
Oh no! That's who told? I think it was David.
Was it David? That they were in a mankini?
The first mentioned that they were. Wasn't it you, David?
What?
Aren't you the first one that mentioned that these guys were in their mankinis?
Me?
Yeah.
No. There's somebody else on there. Dude.
I think I heard you say that. Oh.
Said what?
And I've never looked at them the same way. They've never seemed quite as virile as they had. So not only do they not have their gun,
they got their winter keenies on. They have to, because they got shoulder pads, right? So that's what makes it the winter keenie. That's something to keep the shoulders
and
warm.
it's black too.
And it's black too, yeah. He's out there going, what the hell?
Video about John Mankini dummy thing.
Is that what this is? No, this is just a video about me and Mom chatting.
You and your mom chatting.
Yeah.
You call that chatting?
Oh, we were chatting.
Cackling is
Cackling,
more
okay.
like it.
Chatting, cackling, laughing. Okay, how about thank you for watching?
Goodbye, everyone.
Please subscribe. Have a marvelous day.
Put your comments down below.
MeMaw loves the comments, guys. Keep them coming.
Ah.